Well, hi there. Welcome to Bella's Vistas. Thanks for visiting. Please like and subscribe. Well, we've been home for quite a while and we want to get out on the road again. We're going to go out to a dark sky place. We're going to see lots of things. Driving out through the country, beautiful fall colors yet in our area. It's just amazing how the leaves are hanging on. Here we are driving down the highway. Getting up in northern Ontario again, you can tell by all the rocks on the side of the road and the fall colors. Look at that. Wow, what a nice corner to go around. We're into a dark sky viewing area right now. There's lots of campsites around here. We hike in and explore a little bit, get some fall pictures. What I want to do is stay here tonight and try and get some pictures of the stars. We were here once before and we were scuppered because the sky was cloudy. Looks like it's going to be clear tonight. Some nice rocks and things walking down this road. Little hike down here and looking at the fall colors. It's getting towards evening now. Sun's going down. I'm getting excited. I think we're going to get some pictures tonight. Look at there, the sky's just about set. It's going to be beautiful, and there they are. Look at the stars. Wow, the sky is nice and clear. There's the Big Dipper. There's the Milky Way. Well, we spent a nice night there, and now we're leaving. We're driving out. We're pulling out of the parking lot. Look at the mist. There's some mist here. We're going to drive down the highway. I think we're going to drive both ways down the highway and try and get some more pictures. We're coming down to a little boat dock here now. This is where people come to launch their boats. There's a parking lot here. We're going to park here and take a little walk around, see if we can't get a picture. Look at the mist over the lake. Wow, this was just great. I got a few shots here, then we went back out on the highway and I'm driving down the road and I'm looking for red. It's hard to find red trees. We park up and I go for a little walk. Beautiful yellow trees, little mist on the water. Some dead trees in the foreground. It's just beautiful scenery. You can't miss. You look over here, you get a good picture. Look over there, you get a good picture. Red leaves, rocks, sunset. This is what I love. The mist gives you a nice aerial perspective over the water. Look at that. Wow. You got a nice foreground, background, some mist in the air. It was a bit chilly this morning, but not too bad. Wow. Now it's really clearing up. We're getting towards northern Algonquin Park. We get lots of nice colors. Now we're blasting down this road here. We're driving down this old gravel road. We're headed towards northern Algonquin Park. It's a little bit of a rough road. When I'm looking at this, I'm thinking maybe this is why I don't get such good mileage to my ball joints. Wow, this is northern Algonquin Park. We're headed up towards the fjord. Look at the leaves, beautiful colors. Wow, there's the fjord itself. There's a big overlook up on the top. I'm not brave enough to climb up there. We walk down this path here, beautiful leaves on each side of the path. Bella loved it here. She was running all around, really had a good time. Look at all the leaves. Now we're back on the road again. Wow, we're driving out of the park now. We see a farmer's market on the side of the road and we pull in here. Wow, you never know what you're going to find. This one was maybe a tad disappointing, but we drove in, parked up here, and went for a little tour. There was a barbecue there and there were some odds and sods, things that people make, little crafts and knitting and crocheting and whatnots, but we don't have much room for things like that in the van. There were some onions and apples and different kinds of vegetables from the farm, some preserves all jarred up and ready to go, bird houses. Thing is, when you're traveling in a van, you don't have a lot of room for stuff. We're back out on the road again, just burning up the highway. Just having a blast. Wow, we come along the Polish Museum here. Look at these old log cabins. This was the site of the first Polish settlement in Canada. Beautiful old buildings. A real history here. We found some apples from an old apple orchard there that were just great. They were little small apples, but really tasty. Lots of displays and things to look at here. Log cabins and a bench to sit on. old wagon wheels like they used to use. Family crest. Beautiful place. Now we decided to stop here at a bridge that we know of. Mary calls it the Bailey Bridge, and we parked up here. There we set up the barbecue. There's the van parked. Mary's bringing in some stuff to cook up here. We're all set. I set up the barbecue and we start barbecuing some pork chops here. These are actually like a pork loin that was chopped up, something we bought at Costco. Really good meat though, nice and lean. And we decided to have some fried eggs with these. The first time I ever had pork chops and fried eggs was on a Portuguese ship in the Newfoundland Harbor in 1973. Wow. Mary's frying the eggs on our old cast iron frying pan while I'm doing the pork chops on the grill. It's gonna be good. It's looking great. We put a little water in with the eggs and put a plate on top of them. That helps to steam the top of the eggs and it warms the plate as well. See there, the plate's getting warmed, the eggs are getting steamed on top. This will be decent. So we don't have a lot of room. We don't even have a picnic table, but this is all we really need. Look at that, that's just fine. The plate's warm. Thing is, when you're eating outside like that, things get cold fast. Bella does a quick cleanup on the plates for us before we wash them. Wow. Now the thing about a place like this is make sure you don't leave any garbage around. If there is garbage around, clean it up and make the place look better. You want to be able to come here again the next time. Never make a fire here in a place like this. I would not make a fire. There's my van parked up. It's looking great. Always leave things a little better than when you got there. Now we're out on the road again. This is the bridge we were beside. Driving down the road. Lots of colors. The only thing is, it's a bit overcast. Now we're driving through Algonquin Park. Look how busy it is, and it's overcast. There's no light on the leaves really, but everybody's here getting the last hike of the year in, I guess. We stopped at the Algonquin Portage store. Then down the road, we got invited to our friend's place. They have a little cabin in the woods, and they said if we're going to be near, come on in for a visit. So we did. We parked up here by this heavy machinery and then walked down towards their cabin. All around there's beautiful scenery. There they are, Monica and Tim, and we went around. Bella met some people on four-wheelers. She loved that. Moose tracks all over the place. There's the cabin. There's the van. We had a blast. Bella got to run free and really enjoy herself. Well, we're back on the road again. We're going to head towards Killbear Park. I hope we'll see some more leaves and things there. It's a long drive to Killbear, but it's well worth it. Look at there, we stopped at these railway tracks, hiked down there and got some leaves. I love the railway tracks, the curve, and the leaves in the distance. It's a lot of fun photographing these things. This was amazing. These guys waved at us and then they fired the thing up and took off. Honk the horn and away they went. Look at that. You don't see those every day. I've seen a few of them, but this was the best time I saw one. It was great. We're just into Killbear Park now. No fire hazard at all, hardly. We're looking for things to photograph. I think we're going to have a good time here. Driving down the road, I see a little bit of color here and there. The park is pretty crowded, believe it or not. You don't see many people right now, but there's a lot of people in the campgrounds. I'm driving along. I'm only looking for photographs. 40 kilometers an hour here, that's like 24 miles an hour in my van. It's a heavy van, a big van, and a bumpy van. In Killbear Park, we saw some wonderful leaves once again. I got some interesting photographs. I think they're interesting. I love these old trees here. I get those every time. Wow, they're a little bit reminiscent of Burley Falls. Some nice light behind them. Here I am at the side of the road taking a photograph, just enjoying myself. This is when I'm happy, when I'm out taking pictures like this. Everything else is just practice for this. We're heading through Hockley Valley, and look at the trees. Look at this down the road. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Please like and subscribe. Come on back soon.